Good morning, everybody. Wish you all a very happy Vijayadashmi. May God bless you with wealth and health, you and your entire family and near dear ones. On this occasion, I wanted to share few stocks which is going to be very helpful for month of October. Please do not miss that. Requesting you everyone to subscribe to the channel. Please like the video, okay, and give me the comments so that I can improve upon. Let's move to the chart. We have a selected 33 stocks from the Nifty 50. This is going to outperform the targets for sure. So make sure that you get your target from here. Work out on your entries. Do not get into blind buy side. But of course, you can take a confidence on your buy strategies, right? For the RT Industries, I'm looking at 826 target. For the first target, maybe it can go for the peak. We have a pin bar engulfing here. Maybe you can look at 872. Now it's running at 771. So by end of the October, I'm looking at 826. So what that I mean by when the end of October is that probably market can be in the range mode for some time, or maybe directly it will go above this. All right. So you have to buy this at your convenience and then look for 826 as your target. Okay. If market gives a pull down further, I will add on to my position and I will look at market closing above 826 for RT. Let us look at Apollo Hospital. Now this is already trading above 84298. Okay. Now this is the target. So since it is already above this target, I'm not going to go in a buy place. Let him come down and I'm going to take a buy for the 4298 as a first target, or maybe looking at the second peak of this. All right. So make a note of Apollo Hospital here. Let's go to Oro Pharma. If you have seen my October month starting videos, part 1, part 2, part 3, and part 4, in that, the part 1, I have mentioned about Oro Pharma, saying that it will be pushing through very fast to the target 1, and then it may creep up to the target 2, right? We are almost there at a 90% journey is already complete. So people who have seen that and are in position, they can wait for target 1, okay, and then they can trail to the target 2. This was a very good trade for the Oro Pharma with the start of this month. Coforge, I'm looking as a bullish month for the month of October. If it pulls down, look for an entry. Okay, otherwise you can stay bullish in the Coforge for at least this month. There is no specific target as such. You can start looking at filling up the gaps. But since I'm telling it is going to be bullish, that means it will stay above the open price of this month. So this month, the open price was this month open price is 33.70, right? It's already at 34.79. Okay, so most probably it should be bullish. So look for a buy side here on the trend and look for all these targets. Okay, what we are seeing is the higher low formation, break of the structure on the top side. You can target all these highs. Okay, let's go to GMR Infra. The target is 35.75 for the month of October. Market is already hovering around this price. Okay, and there is a trend line trying to push the market up. So I'm looking at this target pin high engulfing. So maybe the position can be built up here. And I can see the squeeze also happening, lower highs. Okay, so there could be a thrust up going to this gap filling, then pull back, then go to this target, right? So anyhow, the month has to close above 35.75. So we have at least 26 days of trading. So maybe if there is a pull down, we can go. So it's unlikely because this trend line is trying to hold up. Okay, so just look how you can define your buys here. Let's go to Godrej. Godrej, I'm predicting the month should be bullish. He's trying to test the golden structure here. He came to this second low. He's not stopping over. He went to the third low, but there's no close below that. The structure is still valid. If it pulls down, second test doesn't give close, pulls back, third test. If you get a pin bar and engulfing, go for these targets. Okay, but the month is going to be bullish mostly. So let's see how it works out. If there is a close below this, the structure is invalid, then you have to find out the new structure. Let us see GSPL. The target for the October month is 239. So it has dropped down from a box. It's a good place to look for a buy now when it is testing this low around 220. Okay, so you can look for this target 239. Indus Tower, the target is 228. There is a break in a structure here, came down. This place should be holding it. There is a channel here, goes deep inside, gives you inside bar and engulfing, comes back inside. I think you start looking buy for 228 minimum target. Okay, let's go to Enfi. Enfi, I predicted a price of 1460. The market should reach there by the end of October. We are already in the trade. 50% of the journey is done. If there is a pull down, start looking at 1460. This is the minimum target. The market can always go to the highest target in this month because we have a lot of time to go, right? So any pull down, I'm looking for a buy. It's unlikely there will be a huge pull down. So look to define a buy on the Enfi. LT1, Larsen and Tubro Infotech. I'm looking at a target of 4843 coming out of the compression, break of the high. This is the price 4588 where the market is supposed to be and closing above in the October month. So it shouldn't be below 4588 when the October month's end. So when I'm seeing a compression here, I'm looking at this target. So let's see how it performs. If it breaks down, comes down furthermore, and October is still running through, I'm going to buy for it because this target is to be achieved. Market has to go above this. So LTFH 7825 was the target. Already told in my previous parts, it is already going there. So let's see how it goes. McDowell, the target is 812. He's trading at 861, too high. Let him drop down. If it drops down to this low or this low, I'm looking at for buy. All right. If it is not dropping, I'm not getting into this, but the market should stay above 812 before the end of this October. Let's say Ramco 1. Ramco 1 should stay above 755. He's already hovering around this price. If market comes to this low, get into the buy. All right. If October is still running, get into the buy and you'll be reaching your target of 755. All right. So the week will end bullish for sure. It will not come down. So wait for a retracement. Okay. We can see a break in structure here also. This is a second peak, third peak. Low has been taken out. Maybe he'll gonna test this price of 779, around 80. Come back down, take out this low, probably move back up before the end of the October, right? Tata Chemicals, we already predicted a bullish move. Start of the month is trying to reach the target of around 1159. Okay, so this will be consumed. No further target for Tata Chemicals. And then we have Gujarat Gas Limited. The target is 570. Okay, if somebody wants to hold for that long, they can hold it because the trend line is holding here. It may break and come down, but if it comes down to around 473 below, start buying. I'll just mention the price here. If market comes below 473, start buying because and that should come before the close of this month. And if it comes down, start looking to take out the SLs from all this liquidity from all these swing lows. Start buying for 473 target by end of the October. Okay, let's see Ibull Housing. We predicted this target almost going there, so cannot get into a trade when it is running. There was a break in a structure. I wanted it to come to this price and do the testing again, first and second and third. So if it does that, look for a buy side. Still, you have a chance when it pulls back down. Okay, let's see IRCTC. Before October, it comes to this testing of the structure here, second low formation. If you remember our golden structure here, first low, second low, third low, high is taken out. High is taken out. If it has not come down to test this place before October, if it comes 7061 is your target. It may not come. It may stay above that. We would be unlucky to get into the trade, but don't buy above 706. It may pull down. Okay, it can still further go up, but be on the buy side for the October. Deepak Nitrate, if it pulls down below 1966, look for this target before end of the October, right? What I'm trying to tell you is all these targets are the one which the market, all these stocks has to be above that target by end of the October. So any fall below these targets, start buying. Dixon, same thing, still trading above 4335. My target is 4097. It's above the target, so let him pull back down. Then I will look for a buy upside. Okay, the month has to stay away, close above 4097. Dr. Reddy, this is the odd man out. This guy has supposed to be closing below 4216 before the end of the October. Now it's already 4413. Start looking for selling above all these prices, 4500 and odd. Look for your reversals, then get into a trade. But it should close below 4216. So look for this target. Okay. Indian Mart, the target is 4398 on the buy side. He's already at 4511. I will wait for him to come down and then take it entry for a buy for 4398. Okay. If they don't come down, we do not have an entry because, you know, if you buy little higher and the market comes down and ends up around, let's say 4398, you will be losing the gap from where you have buy down. So the risk free is let the market come below this 4398. All right, but still there is a buy availability from this place. You can do that. He may go for testing this peak. Indian Lawrence, look for a buy, close above 532, signify a bullish trend. The moment it closes above that, you can start looking for a buy. Okay, even though a week or two, if it comes down, don't get worried. It is going to maintain this low for sure, and then it will push high for the 600 price. Okay, Mannapuram Gold, sorry, Finance. We have inside bars going up. Hopefully, the month should be bullish. Look on a bullish side. This is what I meant to say, because I think I have included this because in my first part or a second part, I've talked about Mannapuram Finance to be bullish for a few days. All right, so it's already done. He may be testing this price here and here, 100, and then may come down. Okay. Mahindra Finance, look for this. The first target is achieved. This is what we predicted at the start of the month. May go for the second target. Okay. So in the running trade, you don't have to jump into, let it come down. I would suggest if market comes down to 190 price again, this price again, maybe you can just look for a buy and scalp little. Of course, it will give you a pushback for the buy. Okay, the target is achieved here for the month of October. National Aluminium, look for a buy side for the month. I'm still bullish on this. Okay, the target could be anything. It may be this rejection candle here. Let's see furthermore. Naveen Floors, month will be bearish if it starts coming and testing this price area, which is 4635. Just mention here 4635. Sell from this price. The arrow mark is down. Sell from this price for the rest of the month. So let us see. PEL, look for a buy side. Month should be buy. Yeah. So look for a buy side. So if you get a pin bar with engulfing, okay, or a structure building up in a smaller time frame on a golden structure, let's say 30 minutes, start looking for a buy. Voltas, still look for a buy. It is in a buy mode, so maybe he will try to test this area minimum, or maybe this rejection candle. Okay. So if market comes down, look for a buy. It's already in a bullish mode now. The month should be bullish. So let's see what it does. Humans India, the month will be bullish now. If there is a pullback, go into buy. Okay. The month should remain above 1215, 1190. Okay. 1190 is already above. If it's trying to retest and close this gap, go for a buy. Else also you can define some buy and market will be up. Now, since it has to be above 1190, if it pulls down, better to buy when it is below this. Okay. HDFC, target is 573. First target, there is engulfing here, retest of this, going back up. So I think you can define your buy somewhere in between. Let's see Siemens. Siemens is on sell side for this month. Now it should be supposed to be below 2770. It's already 2750, right? So if it pulls back up, try to retest this area. go for a sell for 2770. So if this pull, a markup happens in the month of October, then only you go for a sell. Okay. Tata Power is going to go for 234 target by end of this October. So you can start defining your buy. So if Tata Power is going, then even the related Tata Chemicals, Tata Motors may get the thirst for the buy side. Okay. Let's see the Whirlpool. Whirlpool has given you a close about the pin bar. If it comes for the retest of this level, you can start thinking to buy just for this target. There's no monthly target as such, but looking at rejections from below, it's a good buy place if market comes and retest this area. It may give you a little depth drawdown. Don't get worried. You can wait up till this price also. The close of this bearish candle, which is 1623, and ultimately the stop loss will be below this candle. If it closes below this candle, you can come out. The first target could be the pin bar low. Okay. Now these are the stocks which is highly possible to go to the targets with 90% accuracy. Let us review this once it is reaching their targets or maybe at end of the October. All the best and thank you so much.